So right now I am filming with my phone because I want to give you guys 5 reasons why you should go for DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creators Combo. I've had this camera for over 3 months now. I got this camera in November and this camera has really been doing the job for me. If you're a content creator, you're looking forward to get a brand new camera that you want to use to film your content, I will gladly recommend DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creators Combo for you. And I'm going to be giving you guys my 5 reasons why I choose this camera, and I'm also going to choose this camera like over and over again. First, hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It Vibes, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If it is the first time tuning in, do it, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. The main reason why I'm doing this video is because I did a video on microphone, and most of the comments I've gotten recently as well from that video and also from some of my video is, which camera are you using, especially when it comes to my lifestyle content? Because sometimes on this my sit down channel I can still film with this particular phone that I'm using to film now, but on my lifestyle channel I do not try to film with any phone if not for DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And I'm going to be giving you guys 5 reasons why I choose this camera, and I will choose this camera over and over and over again. So if you are a vlogging channel or you're a sit down channel, you're looking out for which particular camera you should buy, I advise you go for DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creators Combo. Reason why I advise you to go for this camera, reason number 1 is this camera, it is very portable, and this camera fits for both vlog and even when you're doing your sit down videos. If you have been following me very well on my lifestyle channel, you will notice that I've been using this camera to do everything, both my vlogs and my sit down videos. Even some of my videos I upload on this particular channel as well, I still use this camera to film them. The beautiful part of this camera is, if you are vlogging, guys, this is how it is. If you are vlogging, people will hardly know that you are vlogging with this particular camera, and it is very, very, very difficult for them to know that someone is doing something. Initially, when I'm vlogging with my phone, a lot of comments I will receive is, drop that phone from my face, don't video me, don't do this. So you understand? But with DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creators Combo, people will not even know that you are filming. That's the honest truth. They will not know that you're filming. The beautiful part again I love about this camera is, which is, I'm still on my reason number 1. You see, the battery power of this camera is something else. You understand? And you can see that it comes with an extra battery. This is the extra battery it comes with. It also comes with this particular down edge that is looking like an extra battery. But the beautiful part of this one is not battery. This is the battery. But this one can serve as a transmitter from another different microphone. Take, for example, this particular microphone that I am using. You can connect this particular microphone to this particular one, and it will pick and it will work with this camera. So the first number 1 reason why you need to buy this is because it is portable. It is very, very durable as far as I'm concerned. It's giving you the quality that you want when it comes to both your sit down and your vlog video. Reason number 2 why I will prefer you to have DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creators Combo is the mic. My God, my father, my God, I'm trying to bring out the mic from its position. You see this mic is a magic. Even when you are vlogging on the road and you have this wind cover, this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator with the mic, it is going to attract the sound. Like, it will be very difficult for you to be hearing shuru, shuru, or you'll be hearing so many background noise using the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So the mic is one of the sweetest thing for me. I know that when it comes to content creating, sound matters a lot, and DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creators Combo has given you this beautiful portable mic for you to be able to do what? To have good quality sound. And the beautiful part of this sound is you don't need to buy it separately. Like, they come together with the DJI mic. I don't know if they are selling the mic separately. I don't know. I have never made research on that, because ever since I got this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creators Combo, I've been using this mic to do the job. And the battery life of this mic, anytime I charge this mic, the battery life is something else. And the beautiful part is, you are not even going to do so much for you to connect and have good sound. You just need to turn on this power button, and that is all. So that's one beautiful part I love about the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creators Combo. The sound quality is for me. I've used like different type of mics. I even did review on one of my mic review video, but you see the sound coming from this particular mic. I can't compare it, honestly. I love it. And see another beautiful part when it comes to the sound, right? Even if you don't have this one, let's take for example, this one don't lost, but God forbid you no go lost, because I used to keep my things very well. And in the name of Jesus, you shall not lose. You see this particular one, you can use this one to transmit your mic as well. All you need to do is not difficult though. Just click it like this. You understand? Just clip it and attach it together. And if you're done, you remove it. Can you guys see? It is not difficult at all. You clip it. Once you're done, you remove it. And once you clip this to this place, you're just going to attach this particular mic to this place, to this transmitter. And you're going to be getting your mic quality. So, God forbid, if this one lost, you can still use this one to have good sound with other mics. You understand? That is one beautiful part again I love about DJI. Not only this mic, even my wireless mic, I can still use this one to transmit good sound to my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. But the main mic is top notch. Now, the third reason why I love DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creators Combo is the packaging. Can you see this small bag? Everything is inside this small bag that you're seeing. Sometimes if I'm going to church or I'm going to do one or two things outside, I just basically carry this bag. And when I zip it like this, let me drop this camera. And when I zip it like this, I just carry it like this. You will not know that I am carrying a camera. You will not know that I'm carrying anything. You understand? I will get to that place, get to the occasion, drop it, open it, bring out, and I'll be doing my vlog. Nobody will even realize that you are vlogging. You understand? That is one beautiful part I love. I love the fact that everything that it comes with, every accessories that DJI comes with is in just this one pack. Just this one pack. And I love that fact that you can just do with this one without you having to stress, without you having to have to carry a very big camera bag or looking for where you're going to fix it. Even if I want to fix this in my handbag, I just go ahead and fix it in my handbag and I just carry it to where I want to carry it to. And if I'm even going to do my outside vlog, most of the times, I just go with this and I go with this, because once I'm done, I just put it like this. You understand? I just put it like this so that the heat in my hand will not disturb the camera. I just hold it like this. And as I'm holding it, a lot of people will think you're holding tripod. They will not even know that you're holding camera. And once I want to do anything, I generally just remove it, slot this one inside my bag, do what I want to do. You can imagine me vlogging inside the bank without anybody knowing. Is this not amazing? You get my point? So the beautiful part I love is you can see this particular thing, you put everything here and you're good to go to where you're going to. Another sweet part I loved about this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creators Combo is it is very easy for you to film with. All you need to do is to slide like this and DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creators Combo will come up. Can you guys see? It will come up. If you want to flip, you just flip it like this to see the back end, or you want to see your face, you want to bring this to your face. Okay, right now it's facing me like this. This is it. And once I on it like this, it will just pick your face. So if you want to pick your face, you can just highlight and pick your face. If you want to pick an object, you want the object to be clear, you can still highlight and pick an object. It is very easy to use. Once you turn it on like this, it is on. Once you turn it off like this, it is off. Can you guys see how beautiful this camera is? So even when I was buying it, I was having that fear of, hey, when do I start looking for how I'm going to be using this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creators Combo? But guys, everything was just so easy. In just less than how many minutes, I'm able to know how I can be able to use this camera without having any issue. I'm able to know how to transfer my videos to my phone. You can imagine that where I am transferring my videos to, I'm not even transferring my videos to a very big phone, iPhone or Samsung. I'm transferring this phone to just a normal Android Techno phone. And to transfer from this place to that is very, very simple as ABCD. Everything for you is just sweet. I don't know who actually brought this invention, because I've never even took my time to see who is the who are the inventors. I don't know if I'm pronouncing very well, of DJI Osmo Pocket 3, but honestly, ever since I've gotten this, I've been so happy with myself. I have never regret buying this. I have some of my friends that have gotten other cameras, but even if they are coming out, they can't even come out with it because it's too big, or the lens is big, or this one. But you see this one, very portable, unique. And before you know, this thing will go and pick someone from far. You can be here like this, you don't pick person, you don't vlog, they pick people. So before you go even reach your way, they go even notice and say you they do vlog. You feel don't even turn off your camera. So imagine me just vlogging like this. You will not even know that I'm carrying a camera. And before you know, I just do it like this. Everything don't go back to its position. Like, this camera is very beautiful. That is my 4th reasons why I love DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creators Combo. Very, very easy to use. My last reason why I love the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creators Combo is you can mirror everything you are doing with your phone. And I was asking myself, because when I was getting this, I was thinking maybe I need like iPhone to be able to mirror what I'm doing. But all you need to do, my darling brothers and sisters, is just to scan the code. There is a code scanner there. You scan it to your phone. You're going to get the app. You just do 1 or 2 things on the app, and everything you are doing, you can be vlogging here and you are with the phone in another direction. You're going to be seeing everything happening. If you want to do any settings on the camera, you don't want to touch the camera, you can use the phone. You can mirror it. You can use the phone to do everything you are doing. And at the same time, you use the phone to connect it immediately, receive your videos and edit your videos, and you are good to go. That's the sweetest part for me. The fact that I don't need to, it's not a must for me to have a laptop. Because when I was looking for camera to buy, I heard a lot of content creators, they'll be like, oh, I'm using laptop to edit. I have never used laptop to edit. I have never. I'm even still saying, okay, I'm trying to learn because of this DJI, because I was scared that because of DJI, I need to get software that I will need to be editing with my laptop. But honestly, when DJI came into display and I saw all the qualities, I've been using my phone to do everything, using my phone to mirror myself, using my phone to get my videos, using my phone to edit and post on my YouTube. It's just like when you have Bluetooth connecting each other, but this one now, Bluetooth is not connecting, but it's just doing the job, and everything for you is mwah. And the quality, see, you see another, let me just even add one jara on this DJI. Maybe I will just do a video on how you can use DJI Osmo Pocket 3. If you want that video, let me know in the comment section. Another beautiful part of this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creators Combo is, if you want to do any settings, like removing every pimples, every sweat where they your face, beautifying yourself, you can still do it with this camera. I've not even started exploring that part yet on this camera. You can still do the 4K version. The 4K version. But before I will start doing that, I want to make sure I have a very good portable sweet laptop, so that when I do the 4K version, I will transfer, sit down, settle down, edit what I want. That's the beautiful part of this. That is the beautiful part. If you see people shining and glowing, people that have DJI Osmo, they are really glowing, because you see this thing, it makes life easy for you. It makes content creating easy. It just makes everything very easy and very sweet. That's just the beautiful part. So these are my reasons why I feel like if you're looking for camera that you want to buy, go for DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creators Combo, and trust me, you're not going to regret this. Let me know in the comment section if you're using DJI already and you want to be adding 1 or 2 advantages to us. Also, let me know if you'll be going for this, if you have money, because a lot of people will be like, oh, the challenges is the feel to buy it. You can contribute, you can do contribution. I did contribution until my contribution complete, and I got this thing because I knew how it's important to me. So go get it and thank me later. If you have not subscribed, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. If you have any question relating to DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creators Combo, let me know as well in the comment section. And yes, with no further ado, I'm going to be seeing, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys.